right. Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating this console. So this is a part of a collaboration called Spring is in the Air, and we're decorating this for the spring. And this is normally my back wall for my dining room, and this is what I'm going to be decorating. So the host of this collaboration is myself, the Grace Life DIY home decor. I also have Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden and Jennifer at Home. And if there's anybody else that I'm forgetting, guys, I will link them below in the description box. So let me get started. I'm gonna wipe this down and then kind of give it a springy look. It's probably not going to be the only time I decorate it, but at least it's a start. I'm going to be using this awesome wood cleaner. I like the way this smells, and it cleans very nicely. Doesn't leave a heavy or thick film. It's just a really nice product, so I would recommend, if you like something light, just to take the dust off of stuff, this is the way to go. All right, this is not a sponsored video, so I'm going to go ahead and just spray this down. And I think I'm gonna kind of stick with just white. Let's see what we can do here. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I wanna say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just wanna thank you so much for supporting my channels. This is a weird angle for this camera, guys, so it just feels like, I don't know. So let's see what we're gonna start with here. I have this apothecary jar, so I wanted to see if I keep this in the center, but then at the same time, I'm gonna go ahead and get the lantern. Okay, so we're just gonna kind of use that for right now. Now, I do have these roses. They did come from the Dollar Tree, and they do say Happy Valentine's Day, guys. Okay, but we're gonna turn it around. I don't know if I use that here. So this way that faces a different direction. You can't tell that's what it says. And then, like I said, I'm trying to keep this white. So I didn't want to use my little ceramic house. So we're going to put that here. And I also want to go like light and airy with this. So over here, I do have my bird and my cross. So we can't do without it. But you know what? I think I know what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the bird. I absolutely love that bird, guys. Over here, I'm going to put my cross. Wow, I think I like that. So what I like about this bird, guys, it has a little gem that dangles right here. It's absolutely beautiful, and this was a thrifted item. So I'm just gonna put that at an angle. And then I recently DIY'd this beautiful topiary, and I did put some white flowers around it. I don't know if I released that video yet. This was so easy to make. So if you're a new crafter, it was a step-by-step video. I'm gonna go ahead and take this little stand, okay, and I'm gonna place that on there. It's not pretty, guys. And so already I'm getting this light and airy instead of dark. I think I'm gonna move that apothecary jar somewhere else. Now, let's see. So on this side over here, I want to show you this because I just recently did this video. Is this not absolutely gorgeous, guys? So this is a topiary. Okay, look how beautiful that looks. And then I had just recently DIY'd this jar with Dollar Tree items. So the jar itself was thrifted. So the video, I'm gonna see if I link that video below because I think this one did come out already. So I used this powder blue because I like that powder blue color. And then I put a buffalo check ribbon along the top, and I used the picks from the Dollar Tree in the party section, took off the fork part, and then I decorated the rest. I thought it looked really nice. I think I'm gonna come over here And then this topiary came from another project that I made, but I love the roses. Now we're gonna take the dowel off, and that leaves me with a rose ball. So I'm gonna place this on top of that vase. All right. Then I also did a DIY with this. So I'm not sure if, I know that it wasn't together with that. It might have been with some other decorations when I decorated the cozy corner. But isn't this absolutely beautiful, guys? So we're gonna go ahead and, sticking with the theme, I'm just gonna lean it here against the wall. And then we're gonna go ahead and embellish with this white chubby bird from the Dollar Tree. And then this round ball that says family. So I'm gonna put okay, so what I do is I try to place it so that nothing slips down. So I'm doing the family here. Now, what I could do, all right. Okay, I'm really liking how this looks. All right, so I think I'm gonna put this here. So what I did was I took my vase. We are in winter time still, guys, and I have my pine cones in this. This was a DIY vase that I made, and that's a bee. That's a bee embellishment with a sunflower, so cute. And then this little round piece I made with the other DIY. So I think I'm gonna place that there at the end of it. And then that pretty much covers how this console is looking. I think it's more refreshing than what I had it before. So it's still like the beginning of spring, even though I have a touch of the pine cones over there because it's still winter time here. Okay, it's winter time, meaning the temperature wise, we are cold. So I'm not going to move the apothecary jar from the table, but at least back here, this console is done. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Now let's head on over to the reveal. Have a good day, guys. Amen.